Steps to start an online food business. The current situation of 2020 has taken its toll, and now 2021 has started a fresh new year and is your chance to start your online food business. There have been immense amounts of economic damage. It has led to many layoffs and unemployment is increasing at an alarming rate. This is why it's the perfect time to start your own food business, especially if that's something you're passionate about. However, starting an online food business is not just about cooking, and it has many other elements that you need to consider. In this video, we'll dive into each and every one of them. Stay tuned. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notifications so you don't miss any new daily videos. So if you want to sell food online, here are a few tips to help get you started. Today we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to start your online food business. With that said, let's start. The first step: choose your niche. What's your expertise? Are you good at cooking a special kind of pasta, or are you more of a dessert kind of person? Whatever it may be, choose your niche according to your expertise. It is always better to find the food item that you're either great at making or enjoy creating. Decide on a menu. Once you choose a niche, you have to decide what food will be on the menu. And how much will it cost? Time for some maths. Calculate your cooking expenditure, the utilities used, and consider the time you're investing. Keeping all these factors in mind, plan a menu and do the costing. Time to do your research. Now, if you want to be successful in this niche, it's important that you do some market research. Who are your competitors and what are they offering? How can you get a competitive advantage over them? These are all questions that you need to consider. Set your target audience. Every brand has a target audience, and after doing your research, you need to think about this. How old is your target audience? What socioeconomic background are they from? Where do they live? All of these answers will help you in branding, advertising, and building a successful business. Business plan. Every business must have a business plan and a revenue model. How much profit will you make off of every meal that you sell? Do some reading on different business models and choose one accordingly. Branding. The next even more important step is to do your branding. Start by coming up with a creative and catchy name. It should be a good representative of your brand. Along with the name, it's time to decide on a logo. One that goes well with the name of the brand. Create a social media presence and build your website. Once you've decided on the branding, you have to create a social media presence. If you don't want to do this yourself, then you can hire a digital marketing specialist to do this for you. What goes hand in hand with a social media presence? Building your website. Nowadays there are many helpful tools that can make this process easier for you. However, once again, you can hire someone to do all of this for you. That's all that we have for you guys. As a side note, keep in mind that there are some legalities that vary from country to country. Permits and licenses are always different from state to state as well as from city to city, so finding out what is needed will be a great benefit to your food business success. Just take a look at all the laws in your country before starting. And then you're good to go. We wish you the best of luck with your good business. If we missed out on anything, don't forget to tell us in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips in the future. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out